healthy food. Gulay, adobo natin. Ayan, may nag-text me. Ito naman ang palaya. Ayan. So, ayan. Inano ko na to. Pinail ko na. Tapos na rin itong ano ko. Mais, merienda time. And then this one. Wait a minute. Ayan. O, diba, para kay hubby. Mahilig siya sa mga karne. Kagawa na rin ako ng salad. There you go. Diba? Healthy foods. Healthy lunch. So, ayan, gisa-gisa na tayo. One at a time. Isa lang naman yan. Lagay yung baboy. Magandang kita. Ayan, I'll make it until golden brown. Okay. Pansip. Ow! Pansip. Hulog yung kamati. No, pansip. Ah! Oh no! Golden brown. Ayan na. Ito, hindi siya na golden brown. Nahulog ko yung melon omelette. Yes. Oh, this is okay. Before we use until and the vegetable, we will put vinegar and soy sauce in that too. So, I'm going to go down. Let's put the melon. Huwag daw haluin pag nilagay. This is weird. We put some soybean ang pinag-anahan. Make it soft. A little bit. And this one. It's still boiling. I tried, hindi pa siya malambot. But this one is malambot na. Okay, let's add some vinegar. Vinegar and soy sauce, and then wow, this is so brown. There we go, a little bit of soy sauce, vinegar. Tansya na lang guys, kayo na bahala mag-adjust. For it, don't mix it when you put the vinegar. You know, when in the water is gone, it's cooked. Okay? Ay, huwag na natin over. Kasi malambot na, baka malabog. This is so soft also. At ang pait niya, guys. Pait. Hindi ka mahinalo. Medyo malutong pa. Pero it's okay na. Then I put the egg. I beat egg on. 4 eggs. This is good. This is so yummy. Sarap na ng lasa, guys. Okay, let's put it the eggs. Juicy. Yan. Pag naano yung eggs, luto na yan. Halibang sitaw. Patuhin lang natin ng konti. Also this one. And then my liempo, my scoop. Wala na yung pait niya guys. Sarap na. Subscribe my channel and turn on the notification bell. Thank you for watching. See you again.